How to introduce movement after episode of sore neck. Face forward, stand tall, look ahead of you. Place your hands on your chest. Rotation. Start rotating your trunk to one side, but keeping your eyes looking forward without moving your head. Side bending. Start lowering one shoulder down, whilst keeping your eyes and your head facing forward and as still as possible. Switch the side, drop the other shoulder down. Try avoiding lifting your shoulder up to your ear, as this may cause more tension. Instead, focus dropping the shoulder down. Flexion and extension. Look forward, place your hands on your chest, and then lift and lower your heart up and down, lifting your chest up towards the ceiling and sinking down. How to introduce